Hey guys, it's Fisherman Felts here, and I wanted to do a little quick video on something that I recently got. It's a Lew's Xfinity 6-inch fillet knife and the 6-inch anti-corrosion coated carbon steel pliers. I have never used these before, so I was pretty excited. I picked them up at Walmart for 25 bucks. I also have a Lew's fishing pole that these match, so that was pretty cool that now I have like a whole matching set. The 6-inch fillet knife has a stainless steel blade, anti-corrosion coating for easy cleaning and corrosion resistance, and then it's ventilated for quick drying. They also have non-slip grippers on them. The anti-corrosion 6-inch coated carbon steel pliers has the molded rubber for easy access and it comes with a belt clip, and it also has a lure tuning eye slots, and it also has cutters in the middle. Go ahead and open it. So here is the pliers belt clip. And here is your 6-inch fillet knife with the blade cover. Pretty sharp. So there's the 6-inch blade, the fillet knife. And here is the 6-inch pliers. Right there's the cutters. Plus, it's my favorite color. But I wanted to do a little unboxing little video on it. I will post up another video once I've used them to let you know how good they are. But I'm pretty excited to be using these, so stay tuned for the next video.